The fence need adjustment. It's like it's leaning outside against the, it needs adjusting. So here we go. I'm gonna show you this part, and then I need this part right here. Back up a little right there. Some, I need to see some of them are missing. So here's this one, and I think there's some over here. See right here? Stuff like this. See, stuff like that. Just go all the way around. So you just need adjustments here. See again? Over here, look at that. Oh, there goes a, see there's a gap. There wasn't a gap before, there's a gap right here. See down here? I think this needs adjustment up here. See, right here. See, gap right here. Stuff like that. All the way around, down at the bottom. I'm going to go on the other side. I think I should do it. Okay, so this side is alright, but the other side is not still. Just need adjustments, all that stuff over here. Now let's go on the other side. So you can see from here, it's just like, see how it's like going, it's like bent down. So you see it from here, see that? It's like bent down, needs adjustment. See, there's more wood here. I think there's holes over here too. It needs adjusting. Now this side over here is okay. And again. And then we have this gate. The gate need adjustment. The gate need adjustment. Stop here. Just go out here right quick. That should do it. Let me see. Yeah, right here. Gate need adjustment. What up, sir? Now the gate people them coming.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I gotta wash and dry, man. They're coming in tomorrow.
What?
Yeah, they're gonna install in this shit.
Busy this weekend?
Yeah, man.